Hey guys, today let's learn how to link a bank account on Wise. So if you guys are wondering how to link your bank account over on the Wise application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so in order for us to actually do this on the mobile devices, we actually have some limited features. So the best way to actually do this is to proceed with going on to the website version of Wise in order for us to proceed with adding our bank account details. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what that looks like real quick, and what we have is like something like this. So from here, just go ahead and basically proceed with logging on to your preferred Wise account, and then once we're already there, we need to go ahead and proceed with, of course, confirming that if you do have two-step verification enabled. Alright, so once we're already here, what we need to actually go ahead and do is to proceeding with our option to proceed with basically entering a recipient or basically our bank details. Alright, so once we are here, let's tap on our names over here, and then let's go on over to the settings. Alright, so basically what I want you to do from here is to proceed to accessing your connected accounts. Alright, so once we're already on our connected accounts, let's go ahead and enter the bank account right here and tap on connect your bank. Once we're there, we need to go ahead and follow the preferred prompts of our bank location, and of course choose the preferred bank location that you want to go ahead and send your money onto. So in this case, we only have 3 countries as of now. Well, as of the current moment, other countries are actually not supported. So from here, just go ahead and choose the preferred country that you'd like, and then of course follow the prompts with the connection methods if you want to go ahead and do manual verification or instant verification. Whichever one you choose, is tap on continue, and then of course you need to go ahead and proceed with entering the preferred details from your bank account onto here. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like it and subscribe, and take care.